All right, first fish on of the year, guys. First fish on of the year. Oh my God, it finally happened. Oh, please stay pinned. For the love of God. Oh, he's running at me, he's running at me. Okay. Okay. Stay calm. Grab the net. Oh my God, we did it. We did it. First steelhead of the season. Oh my God. What a battle that's been. It's all wrapped up. Okay, one sec. Easy. Of course, you guys know which fly he ate. He ate Jeff Blood's fly, not the extra one that I put on. Right in the corner of the mouth. Looking perfect. And that's it. My first steelhead of the season. Finally. You guys don't know just how much of a struggle that's been. Look at that fish though. It's just perfect. Perfect fish. Oh my God. Alright. Let me get this guy back here. Just like that. I did it. You guys don't even understand how huge that fish is for me. We got a guy coming, so I'm gonna get back to it. But that's the first time in the winter season, not in the spring when you can see them, but first time in the winter season that I've come out and I've caught a fish all in my own doing. So I'm pretty proud of that one, not gonna lie. It feels really good, really good. All right, let me get back to fishing. We're biting.